So for Christmas, my wife asked me what I wanted. And ever since we went to Japan in 2019, May of 2019, and I tried a bidet, all of those automated bidets like, what's the name of that? Toto and those brands. I was like, ooh, when I have a place, I'm trying to keep my address from showing up on the screen, so I keep looking. There we go. So ever since I saw those, I was like, I eventually want to get one of those. Then I visited some friends, and they had in their restroom this one. And they said it had really good Amazon reviews, and they really liked it, more importantly. So that was their day-to-day toilet, right? And yeah, water does it better. I agree. Let's see what else we got here. How many people unbox toilet seats? Not many. Maybe there's a reason, who knows? It comes with a remote. So, yeah. That's cool. Okay, so here are the mounting brackets and plumbing hardware. I just watched the video how to install it, just to make sure you can order, you can win stuff and do things like that. So that's cool. User manual, so if you don't know how to wipe, this will tell you. But we're not wiping anymore. What am I saying? We're spraying our butts with water now, because that's how we do. 2025 is the year we cut our toilet paper consumption down significantly. It's pretty straightforward. This is the reason I like this one, and the reason my friends suggested it also. If you just buy one of the cheap ones, which is fine, if you buy one of the cheap ones, you get water straight from the wall. So that means the water is going to be cold, relatively speaking. It's going to be at the very least room temperature. If you keep your house like 70, 72, or like in the winter, the house gets down to the 60s sometimes, that water is going to be that same temperature. Water hitting your butt that cold, not fun. Every toilet that I had something like this that I used in Japan, heated water. You plug it in, it has a heating element, it keeps a reservoir water heated for you. That makes a big difference. So, this is our toilet seat. I have everything ready to go. Like I said, I just watched the installation video from this company. Is it Bidet? So I just watched it. I'm excited, and let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Ooh. Kind of heavy, but for point of reference, if you're ever watching me on a video like this, make sure the autofocus is not working. Great. Oh, there we go. Nope. Anytime you watch this, the toilet's always to my left, your right. Doesn't matter. Let's go install this thing. All right. Let me work on this first. Let me turn the water off. Are we recording? Okay, just making sure. Water is off. Don't worry. I made the point of washing, of making sure that everything is clean. I wiped the bowl down, so everything's clean. Now I gotta remove this. Is that enough? I've never done anything like this before, which is apparently my YouTube battle cry. We have our T-joint, have our mounting points, have our other cable here, or not cable, but pipe. Just this screws back into this. And then this screws into the bottom of the tank. I was going to say tub, but this is a tank. All right. We take our brackets, our mounts. That comes out. Stop a second. Wanted to make sure I'm following going right. So this is a mounting bolt. This goes through here and it tightens on the bottom. So washer, a washer like that. So this goes through here. It's already in. So now we just find it and screw it in. Let's do it this side. The day for posterity, I'm doing this on Christmas Eve. It's like 3 in the afternoon and it's pouring rain. It is so muggy and warm outside, it sucks. I wish it were cold. So that sits in there nice. So make sure it's mostly even. All right. I'm watching this video just to double check.
Please
Okay. So we're getting close. Hold on. Let me go grab the seat. I don't need that, but I will need this. This is trash I don't need. This is also trash. This is another elbow in case you needed that one. So let me go. This is retired. Let me go grab another one. Let me go grab the seat. Hold on one second. Ooh, it's coming down good outside. Okay, we got little pieces of tape we can remove. There we go. It's installed. Now,
If you ever need to remove the seat, bidet requires electric power best. Supply hose from before and connect it to the bio bidet. Open the shutoff.
all right. We're close, close, close. So now, with that T-joint, there's a second joint. So on that T-joint, we add one side of here, one side to there, and one side to the toilet. All right. Boy, this thing's cool. It's bigger, but see, it has a heating element, has all of this stuff in it, so that way, and it has manual buttons too. So there's a manual butt wash right here. So, and it's slow closing. That's a big thing, because sometimes you forget and just chunk it, and like, whoops. See, skin sensor, skin contact on this area is required for unit operation. So that's cool. Remove that. Let me make sure. Okay, so that's installed. Oops.
There's a relief. Check for leaks and enjoy. And connect it to the bio bidet. Open the shutoff valve. Check for leaks and enjoy your bidet top supply hose from before and connect it. Remove the seat. Take that supply hose from before.
Just making sure. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's turn the water back on, see if we got any leaks. All right. Water's flowing. We're good. Let me plug this sucker in. Got my power cable here. There's a GFCI plug right here. Boom. It's lit up on this side. Can you see? Let's go around real quick. All right. So the toilet seat got our manual buttons here. So there's your butt. And for a woman, there's a front wash. So you can wash your lady butt. Nobody's watching this far, don't worry. Hi, Mom, if you are. So there's precautions. Let me go put batteries in. So, if you got this far, you're probably regretting it now. We got our remote in. I need to figure out how to set the time and everything, but this is the button that we will use the most. And Oh, water's a little bit cold just because I just turned it on. I'm too anxious to for oh, there it goes. It's starting to warm up a little bit. For posterity, no pun intended. This, I just, it's Christmas Eve, like I said, and I just went to my parents' house and I ate a hearty meal. Let's just put it that way. Oh, it's warming up more. Oh, yeah, there we go. So, oh, it does like a whole countdown. Oh, the seat's starting to warm up too. So this is like a minute. So, oh my goodness. That water you hear splashing, that is the water hitting me, hitting my ring piece, and splashing back down into the water. But I'll tell you one thing. Wow. Significant thrust. Feels good in that only way it can. I can just, it's just a really thrusting water. So we're almost done. And boy, that's nice. Boom. Great. Wow. So there you go. You just participated, random stranger on the internet, in watching me wash my ring piece. No one has ever participated. Like, well, I mean, I guess my mom did it. So hi, Mom. Now you don't have to do it anymore. Anyway, that's great. It only took what, like, I started this whole process about 20 minutes ago, and I'm just wiped. I didn't have to wipe my butt. I washed my butt with warm water and feels right. So this thing is awesome. I'm so glad to have it. I need to set the time and everything. I don't know how to do that. I got to read the manual. But boy, awesome. Okay, Bio Bidet. Whenever you see me, I'll have the cleanest butt this side of the Mississippi.